Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will try to show you how to create compute instance via Python SDK version 2. So last video, let me just see if I already still have the compute instance that created by via CLI version 2 or maybe manually from here. Okay, so it seems I have no compute. I have just deleted because it costs money. So in today's video, as I said, I will just show you how to create the instance, the compute instance with Python SDK version 2. So of course, this code I will just add it. I mean, add this code in the description so you can find it in repos machine learning. You can find all of these in this repo here. For instance, Azure ML, go to Azure ML, and you can find the tutorials. Okay, so this is the code is similar to the what we already discussed in the previous videos for the other components. But let me just see only the difference. Otherwise, all of these are the similar to other components. So here, of course, we need the subscription resource group workspace. So as you can see here in the menu in the Azure Machine Learning workspace. So you can see here we have workspace and here we have a compute. So compute, it belongs to workspace. Okay, so back to Python. Here you're creating a client, and here we have the compute instance. You have an instance, the name of the instance, and also the size. And the size, it should be, let's see, standard DSL 11 version 2 or some other sizes. So this size, it depends on if you, let's say, using your machine learning for some small task or big task or more than 10 gigs per tasks. And you can see here, for instance, uh, just me just show you how to what is the size of the compute instance. Click new. I will create compute instance in Python, but this is only to show you. And you can see this, for instance, DS version 3, and this is general purpose. For instance, classify machine learning model training on small data sets. So it has 6 cores, and every hour costs 0.29 cent. Let's see dollars here. Let me just close this and back to the Python. And that's it. I mean, you have we will call this function. And for this function, we need only resource. I mean, for instance, see the client, we need the credential, subscription ID, resource group, and workspace as well. So, and for the instance, we need this one, these parameters, and the client will create the instance. Let me just see if we have another function. Begin, update. Okay, create. Oops. Some other components, it's only they separated the create and update. So for this instance, it's still there. So I will call this function in a Python. Python, it's in my directory, this one here. I'll just copy this. And in your Python here, let's see, because I'm using PU3, so I will just click here, PU3 shell, just to activate the environment. Okay, almost done. Clear. So now I'll copy this compute instance. As you can see, I have a description ID. The description ID, it's not, let's say, a secret. So if someone is see this your subscription ID, it's not that, let's say, dangerous. But try to keep it secret. And resource group, workspace, computer name, I will call this one here because there are somehow restrictions on the name, on the compute name. So for instance, if I have here, it has to start with letters, as you can see, compute. And now this, if I add this hyphen, so hyphen has to be followed by character. So I add just by then 01. And the size is standard DS3 version 2. So hit enter and we will see if this is created. So if this is successfully created, we will see this printing messages here. Compute instance, blah blah blah, created successfully. Otherwise, we will see this fail to create instance, and we will see the error message. Sometimes it can be it can happen this, for instance, this error, because let's say we are using this standard DS3, but sometimes we have only limit, let's say from 0 to 3, and if you need to change it, you can change the limit in usage and quits. I will show you maybe in the next videos, or now if I have the error. Well, let's see, yes, see it here. So what you can do, go to the directory, go to the subscription, and select your subscription. Sometimes you have many subscriptions, and in the billing, not here, in the usage and quotes, click here. Let me just remove this, and you can see standards. And you can see here, for instance, this is from 0 to 5,000. I mean, it's of course a lot, but standard. Let me just maybe copy the name. I can see here, create a compute instance successfully. But let me just copy this standard. Okay, right. So you can see here, standard D family CPU. For instance, I have 0 to 10. And this one here, you can update this one here. For this, you are not able to do it. You need to contact the support. And not sure I have, yeah. And for instance, this one here, I can't change this. Oops. I can't change this. So I have to contact the Microsoft. But this is how to do it. If you have any error, you have to change the limit from here. Let's just check. Oh, let's just check the resource group, the compute. You can see here, compute instance is created, and now I can use the compute instance. For instance, what are the jobs are running in this compute, because it's fresh, so nothing is running here. So from here you can also, if it's stopped, you can start it from here, stop from here, restart, and you can even delete the this compute. And let me just go here, and you can see you can access Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter, and Visual Code in your computer. But sometimes, let me just show you, or just let's just stop here, because we don't need to make somehow interaction between topics. So now this is how to create the compute instance using Python SDK version 2. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and like. Thanks, and see you again.